Guys, we are finally here. I have spent all winter and then every night for the last 2 weeks preparing my RX-8 for time attack. Today we're shaking down the car and I just went out for my first session. I was a little let down by some slow lap times, so let me show you how that went. Okay, first session was interesting. Had a little spin, little play in the mud, but that's okay. Couple problems, brakes suck, so they overheat really quickly and I can't really brake too late, so I'm having to carry a lot of momentum, brake early and just try to carry it through, but overall pretty good. It's my first time on track with this car. Feels pretty good. There's a couple of things, too much body roll, so we'll have to do some coilovers and adjust that at some point. It's just lowering springs on the car now, and then definitely upgrade the brakes. And then, yeah, hit a little bit of water coming into corner 8 and a little bit sideways, corrected a couple times, couldn't quite save it and ended up in the mud, but all is well. Car's not broken, I'm not broken, so let's go do some more laps. The stock brake pads were severely limiting. Trying to slow the car down from 175 while it was shuddering and the brakes were fading was certainly not confidence inspiring. Throughout the next 2 sessions, I knew if I wanted to set a decent time, I had to do 1 hot lap, followed by a cool down lap before setting another hot lap. Trusted the brakes a little bit more and I think it worked out. I felt so much faster, and there's a couple corners that, like in one corner, I picked up like, geez, what corner is it? Going into 7, I picked up like 10 kilometers an hour. So I think this is gonna be good. Let's check. Let's get the lap timer out. But I just did that time a hot lap and then a cool down lap, hot lap, cool down lap. Okay. I knew it was gonna be better. So my last one was what, a 241.7? And okay, camera died as I was right about to tell you guys I did a 2. So from 241 to a 236.05. That's so much faster? Just because I just full send. I feel so good about that because I was pretty let down. I was pretty bummed out when I was doing 240s, and it felt sketchy, and for some reason going faster actually felt like more in control. I don't know. But it's good. There's more in it too, for sure. So let's set a 234 something as the time, and I think it's there. I think we can get a 234 the way it is, which if we can, I'll be absolutely thrilled. So we're gonna eat some lunch and then we're going right back out on track. Let's hit it. So after lunch, we only got 2 more sessions, and there was a storm rolling in, like coming right over the mountains at us. And we were feeling a little bit of rain, so I knew that I kind of had 2 more chances as far as like 2 more hot laps to put in my best lap, and I basically just went deeper in every corner and pushed it harder in every section of the track to see what I could do, knowing that it was probably my last chance of the day to get below 235 that I was trying to get to. So I just went for it, sent it in basically everywhere, and this is how it went. Let's check my last lap. I did a 2:35.0. That's really good. Started at a 2:41, improved. That's a second faster than my last time. So that was awesome. Really happy with how things went. I started to get a little more feel for the car. It's definitely feeling better. I feel like I can push it much further than I could before. So feeling pretty good about it. I think once we get some stuff, you know, some suspension on the car and definitely some better brakes, as I've been complaining about all day. Once we get those things on the car, then we're gonna be in for maybe like a 229. That's a lot to ask, 5 seconds. Okay, let's try to get it. One last try here, see if I can beat that 235. I think I got it in me, let's find out.